ASUS's latest laptops share plenty of great features like portability, functionality and style, but there's plenty to differentiate them on too. The Vivobook is ASUS's laptop for everyone. It offers easy access to performance, durability and everyday usage without breaking the bank. With great features like a 180-degree lay-flat hinge, gorgeous OLED display, and military-grade durability, along with thoughtful add-ons like AI noise cancelling for video conferencing, the Vivobook range means entry-level access to great laptops for work, creative pursuits, and productivity. ASUS's Zenbook range means ultra-thin chassis design with lightweight and portability at the forefront of the design, without sacrificing performance or military-grade durability. It's currently the world's slimmest 13-inch OLED laptop, made from environmentally friendly metals and plastics. Zenbooks feature unique form factors like flip and fold hinges, as well as a wide range of configuration options to suit all kinds of computing tasks. If your biggest concern is aesthetics without sacrificing power and portability, the Zenbook is right up your alley. Both laptops can be configured with ASUS's Lumina OLED display, bringing top-notch screen quality to everyone. These screens offer excellent colour and detail, so if your work includes visual work like graphic design or colour grading video, these models are both excellent choices. Plus, they're great for winding down with a movie. The Vivobook is a complete package if you don't need any extra frills. They're more than capable of dealing with your everyday apps. But if you're looking for a laptop with some extra thoughtful design for unique cases, the Zenbook might be the one for you.